Whole gang is here. Whole gang. There's George. Look at that guy. High vis. Everybody's gonna see him today. I've never been here. Very excited. Very, I can't even. Super duper uber excited. Now I'm just talking. Let's get riding. Oh God, I almost went for it. Hell yeah. Oh. Oh, God damn. Yeah. Yeah. Woo.
Jumbo, go ahead. Jumbo.
All right, Houston, let's go. God, we are singing going down this. Houston said no brakes. Oh my God, dude. Weirdest feeling ever.
All your speed is gone, and then you just.
Well, and it's like
no gravity. No gravity. No gravity.
Absolutely smoked. Completely smoked. I'm dead. But definitely a good day. I did what I came here to do. That was hit some stuff that scared me. So it's a great day. Now we're gonna eat. Thanks, Chuck, for bringing us out here. There. Canoes, bike rentals, everything. All right, I'm gonna go eat. We'll see you later.